Debt, a word that often carries a negative connotation. Many people view debt as a financial burden, something to be avoided at all costs. But what if I told you that there's a strategy to not only manage your debt effectively, but also profit from it? In this video, we'll explore the best strategy to turn debt into a powerful wealth-building tool, defining debt. Before we dive into the strategy, let's define what debt is. Debt is simply borrowed money, whether it's a mortgage, a student loan, or credit card debt. It's essentially a promise to repay a certain amount of money, often with interest, over time. Good debt vs. bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Good debt is typically used for investments that have the potential to appreciate over time. Think of a mortgage for a home or a loan for starting a business. Bad debt, on the other hand, is used for things that don't generate wealth, like high-interest credit card debt, used for excessive shopping. The strategy: leverage. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the strategy to profit from debt. It's called leverage. Leverage involves using borrowed funds to amplify the returns on your investments. Example: real estate investing. To illustrate this strategy, let's take a look at real estate investing. Imagine you want to buy a rental property worth $200,000. You have two options: pay for it in cash or take out a mortgage with a 20 down payment, which means you borrow $160,000. Show graphic. By leveraging your investment with a mortgage, you're using other people's money to make money. If the property appreciates in value over time, say by 5 per year, your return on investment is not just 5 of your down payment, but 5 of the property's entire value. The power of leverage. This is the power of leverage. It allows you to control a larger asset base with a relatively small amount of your own money. But it's crucial to use leverage wisely and responsibly, as it can amplify both gains and losses. Debt as a tool. Debt, when used as a tool for wealth building, can be incredibly powerful. It allows you to invest in opportunities that you might not have access to otherwise. However, it's important to emphasize that not all investments are suitable for leveraging, and there are risks involved. Risk management. To profit from debt, you must also be adept at managing risk. Diversification, proper research, and a solid financial plan are essential. Additionally, make sure you can comfortably cover your debt obligations, even in adverse scenarios. Example: stock market investing. Leverage can also be applied in the stock market. Some investors use margin accounts, which allow them to borrow money to purchase more shares than they could with just their own funds. While this can magnify gains, it can also lead to substantial losses, so it's not for the faint of heart. Tax advantages. Another aspect to consider when using debt strategically is the potential tax advantages. In some cases, the interest paid on certain types of debt, like mortgage interest, is tax deductible. This can reduce your overall tax liability, effectively lowering the cost of borrowing. In conclusion, debt doesn't have to be a financial burden. When used wisely and strategically, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. The key is to understand the difference between good and bad debt, leverage your investments intelligently, and manage risks effectively. Call to action. If you're interested in implementing this strategy, it's crucial to consult with financial professionals who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique financial situation. Remember, while debt can be a valuable tool, it's not without risks, and informed decision-making is key to profiting from debt. Thank you for watching this video, and the best strategy to profit from debt. If you found this information valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. And as always, make sure to do your own research and consult with experts before making any financial decisions. Debt can be a powerful ally, but it should be wielded with care.